extended storage on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can repair extended storage on PS4. So in order to repair your extended storage on PS4, there are different reasons why the issue occurs. Now along with that, there are also multiple different ways to fix it. So I'm going to be showing you some of the easiest way on how you can fix it. Now if you're encountering the PS4 extended storage error, implies that you won't be able to use the external HDD. This issue can be caused by faulty or incompatible external storage. A quick and effective fix to this error is update your PS4 console manually. So in order to do that procedure, what you can do is, first of all, you can force restart your console. So for that, press the power button and hold it down for 7 seconds. After that, the console will beep twice and shut it down. Leave the system off for a while and then power it back on. Connect the storage device. If it's still working, we can assume that drive does not meet the PlayStation 4 requirement. If the PS4 is showing error like can't find the following application when using extended storage, restarting your console might help fix this issue. You can also check the storage drives compatibility. The PS4 extended storage will not work if the drive has insufficient storage as well. So even though the PlayStation 4 support various external storage devices, they must meet certain specifications to be compatible. To use the external storage device on your PlayStation 4, ensure that it meets the following requirement. You can bound to get the PS4 external storage if it does not. Now, if your drive meets the PlayStation requirement but still gets the PS4 extended storage error, you can simply contact the support team and state about the issue. These were some of the ways to fix your PS4 extended storage. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.